According to American author Robert's career, success is the sum of small efforts repeated. Guys, this is Archana with
Hannah Francis.
and we are back with a new episode of
Verbal Vista
from Tiju's Academy. Hello, my name is Archana and I'll be the examiner for today's speaking test. What's your full name?
My name is Hannah Francis.
How may I address you?
You can call me by my first name, Hannah.
Okay, can I see your ID?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So Hannah, I'm gonna ask you some questions about your family. How do you spend time with your family?
I usually spend time with my family by cooking together, and we do speak about our day-to-day life, and also we watch movies and play with each other.
Okay. Do you want to live with your family in the future?
Yes, definitely I want to live with my family in the future because I believe that it is my responsibility to look after them.
All right. How has your family influenced you?
My family has influenced in many ways, and they supported me in my ups and downs and also helped me in my work.
Do you prefer to spend time with your relatives or friends?
I prefer to spend time with my friends because I love to chat with them and share my stories with them.
Fine. How often do you talk to your friends?
I talk to them daily because, as I told you earlier, I love to talk to them and also I love to share my stories with them.
Okay. How do you communicate with your friends?
I communicate with my friends using phone because they are living in different parts of the country.
All right. So this is the end of our part 1 of the test.
Okay.
We are moving to part 2. I'll give you a topic card which you have to prepare for 1 minute and then speak about it for 2 minutes.
Okay.
All right. And if you wish to make notes, you will get a paper.
Okay.
So this is your card and this is a preparation paper. Your time starts now. Hannah, the time is up. Now you can start speaking.
History is always my favorite subject. There are some periods which caught my attention and I would like to know more about them. One such period is Roman period. When I was doing my degree, I had a project and for that I had to search for information about Roman dressing style. Um, uh, it generally comprised of short sleeves or sleeveless and knee-length tunics. So I get inspiration from that and created my own dresses, and I created my own garments. And also they used wool, silk and cotton to construct their garments. So I took those garments to construct my dresses. In addition to that, they used plant-based dyes, producing various shades of red, yellow, blue and brown. So I took inspiration from these colors and created my garments using these shades. At the end of the construction, my garment looked stunning. Moreover, it resembles a Roman attire. And also I was over the moon when I saw my garments. I would like to know more about this period because I am very much interested in their culture. I hope I will get detailed information from the internet and also by referring some books related to history.
All right. So that is the end of our part 2. Now we are moving to part 3.
Okay.
Here I'll ask you questions based on part 2. Do you think it is important to know about history? Should everyone learn about history?
Yes, it is important to learn about history, and everyone should know about history because it creates a sense and also serves a lot of information about the past events. For example, being an Indian, everyone should know about the circumstance that leads to leads to independence.
Okay. How can children learn about history?
Nowadays, there are many sources available to learn about history. Children can refer some books to know about historical events. and also they can watch movies, documentaries, and also they can use YouTube videos to know about history.
All right. What's the difference between learning history from books and from videos?
Learning history from books will create some kind of insecurity because it is hard to remember names and dates. But in videos, it will create a visual effect, and also it is easy for people to remember the names and dates through videos. And also, but nowadays students come with some misinformation because there are some add-ons in movies and videos.
The overall performance of the candidate could have been more lively, like putting a good smile on face and giving proper voice modulations. The interviewer might feel like the candidate is diffident. Self-corrections and hummings would definitely affect your fluency. There were slight grammatical errors too. For instance, it is not children's can refer some books, but children can refer some books, because children is already the plural form of child. It is not circumstances that leads to independence, but led to independence. It is good if you can rephrase the questions being asked in the warm-up and follow-up part rather than repeating the questions again. Anyhow, the overall performance of the candidate was good. Okay, so Hannah, that is the end of our test.
Okay.
Thank you.